Hi guys, I just thought I'd give you a little video production on in the middle of a volcano in Gran Canaria. So yeah, my hair's blowing all over the place. I haven't got any sort of gel on today, but I'm calling about, or I'm putting this video up about the call that I got this morning during breakfast on my holidays, that Packlink and eBay have decided to put their prices up for Northern Irish Yodel suppliers from the usual £2.90 up to, well, an extra £1.40 per package for a 1 kilo or less package because of distance. Now Yodel and Every now are the two discriminatory delivery companies who have decided to up the price because location. Now under UK law they're not supposed to do this. This is actually discrimination. You are not supposed to discriminate for distance under UK law. So if you live in the Western Hemispheres, you're not entitled to charge more. You have to equal out the average prices for what it is. But they've decided to go ahead and do it against Every done it last year, and now Yodel have done it. This has put us into a financial situation where we're now having to sell our prices. Sorry to interrupt you. Most of you guys aren't subscribed to my channel, so please like, subscribe, and please click on the alert button. Everything that we have to sell now has to go up £1.40. This doesn't include the national insurance hike that we've got today, or this coming up. The national insurance hike is going up another 5%. So I have to pay 5% to have a member of staff. Each member of staff needs another 5% tax on top of just employing. Just to employ them, we need another 5% tax. And now we have also another minimum wage rise of 10%, which simply pushes the price of inflation up, and everyone then charges the extra 10% in the following year. When is it going to stop? When is this behavior going to stop? I'm on holidays. I haven't had a holiday in a year and a half. Everyone gets a holiday 6 weeks a year. I haven't had a holiday in a year and a half, and I'm now faced with this bloody nonsense of zero notice from eBay, zero from eBay, and zero notice from Packlink, where they're going to put up the prices by £1.40 per package at an average of roughly what I'm doing right now. I am doing an average of 1,000 packages a week. That's going to put me up £1,400 a week, or per year, £60,000 of extra that I'm going to have to get from somewhere when I do free postage for my customers. Now, so what do? If I get an item for £10, a battery for £10, and then I sell it for the extra £1.40, £11.40, I'm not competing anymore. I'm not able to compete with England because England's got the edge. England's got the advantage. England and Wales seem to get the advantage. Now, yes, I talk about England and Wales. Scotland are even worse than I am. I feel sorry for you Scottish eBay traders. You're up £6 a package. We're up, £6.19 I think you're up. It's a joke. It's a joke, and no government agency stopping by to go, hold on here. You can't do that. You're working for the public. You may be a private business, but if you start calling your shots on them prices and the world needs to, or the UK needs to use you, you don't get the right. You've got to change them, and you've got to transition them up. But they're up by 30%. 30% rise in postal costs. I have to pass it on to my consumer. Now the consumer won't buy it. They'll buy from England, which means that England will thrive and Northern Ireland will fail. It's simple. We're talking about the pennies and the pounds. This is not actually pennies, this is pounds. What the are people looking to do here? I mean, we had GPSR. We've now got the tax classifications for European Union from Great Britain to Northern Ireland. When are you going to stop killing this country? This is ridiculous. I am absolutely beside myself. This video, I'm doing it out of my holiday. I feel somewhat that the life that we're leading in Northern Ireland makes you want to leave the country to create new business where opportunities are available. You are hindering my business. You are hindering every Northern Irish supplier. What are you guys going to do? Royal Mail, keep it equal. Amazon, keep it equal. You can't put the prices up on Amazon, Yodel, nor can you do it with Every. Only with eBay. Only with eBay. It just seems to be, we hate Northern Ireland eBay. That's what they're called. We hate Northern Ireland. So anyway, I'm going to end this video. This is not good. This is not good for us eBay traders in Northern Ireland. It's not good for Scotland or the Highlands. What are you going to do, eBay? Are you going to stand? I mean, you didn't even leave a notice. You didn't even produce a notice. You had no notice given, and we now have to face or struggle to deal with the losses on how we sell, what we sell, when we sell. We do have to choke. So in other words, if you think about it, if you want to be an eBayer and you want to succeed, don't do it in Northern Ireland. Don't do eBay Northern Ireland. Don't do eBay Scotland. You know, our whole opportunities. I've got a massive array of products that people can buy at a competitive price. But now they're going to pay more. They're going to pay more to dispatch it, and they're going to have to wait longer. I don't know. My poor staff, you know, that I'm on holiday, and they're looking at me, and they're going, "Alan, I'm so sorry to interrupt you during your holiday, but this is cataclysmic." Now, it's going to affect sales one more time. We've got GPSR. It's kicking our ass. We're down 20%. This is going to kick our ass again. We've only just taken a break, guys. eBay, what the fuck are you doing with us? What are you trying to do? What is this achieving? How is this going to work for a geographical location? Let's say, for example, you set yourself up. Where are you? You know, if you're in, say, for example, you're based in New York. Are you going to, you know, discriminate Texans? Are you going to discriminate people from Colorado? You know, what is going to go on here? You know, why is it that I have to pay more because I live in Northern Ireland? Why is eBay allowing this to even happen as a part of their contractual obligations with the dispatch companies? Do you care? I don't think you do. Now, Vinted, I don't know if they're changing it. But the way I see it is, you're a shower. I'm getting tired of eBay. You're not willing to help. You're trying to deliver closures.